Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can extract any text from images or photographs and translate that very particular text into any language using Google Docs and Google Drive. But before we get started, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Uh, Let us go to the browser and type the Google Drive. If you are having a Google account, you can easily sign into the Google Drive. If you are not having, please make sure to create a Google account and then sign into the Google Drive. Click on the new option, then the file upload that very particular image or photograph from which you want to extract the text. I have taken a screenshot of YouTube channel of one of the renowned journalists of India, in which the text is in English as well as in Hindi. This photograph gets uploaded into my Google Drive. This is the photo, this is the image I have uploaded. Right click on this very particular image and then go to the open with option and click on the Google Docs. A new tab will open in which the Google Docs will extract the whole text in the image. The text extracted from this image is below the photograph. This is the text which is in this very particular image. If one needs to convert this very particular text into any language, for example, I want to convert this very particular text into English, go to the tools option of the Google Docs, then click on the translate document, choose the language in which one needs to convert this very particular text. I am going to convert this very particular text into English. Then click on the translate. A new tab will open in which the whole text gets translated into the English language. I will show you another photograph in which the text is in Urdu as well as in Arabic. Choose the file upload. This is the photograph. I have taken this photograph using my mobile phone. The text in this photograph is in Urdu as well as in Arabic. Go to the open with, then click on the Google Docs. A new tab will open in which the text from this very particular photograph gets extracted. This is the photograph and this below this photograph is the extracted text. बस अपने जूते उतार दो तुम वादी मुक़द्दस दुआ में हो फ़अक़िम वजहक लिद्दीन हनीफ़ा. If one needs to translate this very particular text into any language, click on the tools option, then translate document, then choose the language, and subsequently the whole text gets translated into the language one needs to translate this very particular text.